Sports, and we are at Highmark Stadium in upstate New York. Today, from his end zone, Isaiah McKenzie. And they're going to start in a hole as he's brought. Allen looking to throw it right at the outset. Isaiah McKenzie hauling it in. And way up past the 35 before he's taken down. So from the 36 now, 1st and 10. Here's Allen. His throw incomplete.
Yes, sir. How about an attaboy there on 1st down? Got his hand in and knocked it away.
The intended target there was Gabriel Davis, but it'll be 2nd down. Allen now looks to throw. And Cook has it left side. And they've got it well across midfield down to the 40 before it's all said and done. 25 yards there on the catch and run.
A lot of times the key is just get him the ball, let him do his thing, and then get it out to him on the left side. And he did exactly that. Excellent run after the catch.
Devin Singletary with his first carry of the game. And he gets this to the 35. Good for a gain of 5. After the pickup of 5, here's 2nd and 5. Allen going to throw. Got a man over the middle, and it's complete. And he's taken down, but not before reaching the 10-yard line. They'll run on 1st down with Singletary. And he'll get about 4 there as he takes it from the 10 down to the 6. To throw on 2nd and 6. Allen. And this is caught for a Bills touchdown. Devin Singletary from 6 yards away. And the Bills are on the board first here this afternoon. Extra point by Bass, up and good. And Hill will opt for the touchback. Jackson and the Ravens come up now 1st and 10 at their 25-yard line. Here's a play fake as they set up to throw. And incomplete on a deep ball.
On every offensive coordinator, every play caller sheet, they have about 5 or 6 plays per game that they call shot plays or big plays. And you don't get many opportunities to dial them up, and they just did, and they drop it with a great chance to make a big play. That's going to hurt.
And he fires one that's intercepted. Tre'Davious White with a pick, and he is going to score. It's a pick 6 and a Bills touchdown. Well, we went from scoreless to 13-0 in a hurry. First, their offense had the touchdown, and now the defense comes through with one.
You can't get a better 1-2 punch than that. Fall off a touchdown offense by getting one on defense. If they keep that effort up, you'll take the other sideline out of this one very quickly.
Now, as this one's in the air. Hill going to sit on this one, and it'll come out to the 25. The Raven offense set at the line for this next drive. They've been outplayed early, no question. Down 14-0 already as they come up 1st and 10. And he gets this one just shy of the 40. They'll mark him down at the 39. So from the 39 now, they'll come up on a 1st and 10. Jackson on the give to Dobbins. Looking for a seam, but finding none. He'll get back to the line of scrimmage, and that's it. Officially no gain on the play, and it's second down. They'll go again with Dobbins. He'll get about 3 as he's brought down right around the 42. Just not a whole lot of room to operate there on that carry.
No, not at all. They did a really nice job staying in their proper places and not allowing any lanes to open up.
On third down, Jackson. That ball caught. It's Mark Andrews, the tight end. And he will have a Ravens first down as they're able to get the third down conversion. So first and 10 now in Buffalo territory at the 47. Jackson. And it's incomplete. Took a shot, couldn't connect.
Well, they've been back on their heels a little bit here on this drive, but a chance to exhale just a little bit there with incompletion on first down. Now they have to gear up, try and get 2 more stops, and escape this drive.
They try to throw on second down, but this one is incomplete.
Whenever I see an in route dropped, as we just saw on that play, I'm always thinking that in the back of their mind, they're worried about what's coming at them because they're going towards traffic on that route as opposed to being away from it and maybe having a little bit more space.
Here comes the 7th play now of this drive as this is 3rd and 10. Jackson now. That's into a crowd and intercepted. And the Bills are going to take possession of the football.